Your WordPress website has to load faster than ever in 2023. We've all heard it time and again, though, that WordPress is slow to load and our customers can get frustrated, leading to cart abandonment and a high bounce rate and ultimately a lower rank on Google. Welcome to Speedboost 23. I'm Kori Ashton and I've been in the WordPress industry since 2009. I've been a freelancer, an agency owner, a C-suite exec, and a marketing consultant. Currently, you may know me from my YouTube channel where each Wednesday I share a how-to tip for improving your online marketing in the world of WordPress. I'm joined today by Tigran Nazaryan, CEO of 10Web, and we're here to let you know that speed in WordPress is no longer a problem. Welcome, Tigran.
Hello, thank you very much, Kori. Nice to meet you all. I look forward to presenting 10Web Booster, the best and the ultimate website optimization service in the world.
It's so exciting. You know, Tigran, over the years, slow WordPress websites has been one of the biggest frustrations I've seen. Since WordPress allows us the freedom to select our own hosting, choose our own theme, and to add unlimited plugins to our website, it can very quickly start to slow down, causing a poor user experience. So what can website owners do to improve their speed?
Now, this is what I'll talk about for a few minutes. I'll talk about 10Web Booster, the solution that can help website owners to achieve 90 plus page speed score and also to pass all core web vitals. Okay, so why this is important actually? Because this will lead to increased traffic to your website. It will improve definitely user experience and will have better conversion rates. And this is important for any real like business website in the world. So we were developing plugins for WordPress for more than 12 years, and we know the pain of having slow website. And that's definitely not an easy task to fix. The page speed optimization is technically quite challenging, and we know what it is. So the question is, how can we confidently be that speed is no more an issue? With 10Web Booster, this is all-in-one solution, and it is technologically advanced solution that goes beyond simple caching or minification or any other site optimization service. 10Web Booster has over 10 advanced optimization features or techniques. The technology behind speed optimization, it includes a variety of algorithms like minification, compression, caching, or advanced techniques for media, styles, or scripts. And they all work together and they automatically bring you the complete speed optimization solution for any WordPress website, no matter where it is hosted. So we can achieve 90 plus page speed score for any website through our powerful speed optimization feature. It uses minifications, caching, image optimization, image, video, and iframe, lazy loading, technique for font optimization called font swap, and generation of critical CSS, and also a technique that is called delay of JavaScript, which makes any web page literally super fast. So through all these features, we are ensuring a complete speed optimization for any website. So by summarizing, we can say that 10Web Booster, it outperforms competitors due to advanced algorithms and technology. But what is more important, 10Web Booster is risk-free because it doesn't break websites. There is danger when you optimize too much, you can break something. So 10Web Booster doesn't break websites. And one of the advanced features of 10Web Booster that I think it's worthy separate mentioning, it's Cloudflare CDN integration. And I want to talk a couple of minutes about that. Typically, when someone uses CDN, they use it for distributing either media files or also fonts, scripts, or styles. That's resources. However, 10Web Cloudflare integration allows for cached and optimized full web pages to be distributed through CDN. That makes a huge difference and it's a huge advantage. Why? Because with Cloudflare integration, your website can be closer to any of its visitors. regardless of their location. So some numbers for making it more clear. The website content becomes optimized, cached, and distributed over 275 locations that are Cloudflare data centers across the world. So then it becomes served to visitors, and because it's distributed across the world for 90% or 95% of the world internet users, it becomes closer than 100 milliseconds. So it means that just time to first byte for these websites is less than 100 milliseconds. It makes incredibly fast any website, not only for visitors across the globe, but even for visitors that are actual local visitors, but you have local data center that's close to these visitors. That's why it becomes super fast. By integrating Cloudflare CDN into 10Web Booster and we launched it in November, we bring not only the ultimate speed solution, but also full benefits of Cloudflare Enterprise tier to any WordPress websites. Cloudflare, it's not only about speed, but also scalability and security. Because Cloudflare network, it's serverless network, it removes the concern for infrastructure, so you don't need to worry about how your website will scale when you have more visitors or there is a surge of traffic, or you don't need to put load balancers or other technical stuff. And you also can receive higher uptime just because of website front end being distributed from through Cloudflare. Why? Because even if original server goes down for some short period of time, web pages that are hosted on Cloudflare are still accessible and visible to site visitors. So we can say that it even improves uptime to some degree. And of course, Cloudflare is known for its DDoS protection, web firewall, anomaly detection, bot mitigation, or CAPTCHA. So you get not only performance boost, but also security boost as well. And website with us is protected from attacks. So these are just a summary of main benefits for website owners' perspective.
That's incredible. You help me understand that there is such a deep technical side of it, and I don't consider myself a developer at all. What I love about the 10Web Booster solution is if I am that developer mindset, I can do my due diligence on your product and really see that you guys have just pioneered technology for us, and you've really created an incredible partnership with Cloudflare. For people like me, website owners over here, who aren't developers and don't understand the technical side, you've made this such an easy plugin for me. It's basically one click. I press a magic button in my dashboard, and all of a sudden my website has this incredible fast speed boost that is just amazing. I went and did a test study. I ran my website through Google PageSpeed Insights, right? That free tool that we can use. I ran my website through it, and it had about an 80%, about an 80 score on a desktop. I plugged in with just a few clicks the 10Web Booster, and I hit 100. It was just incredible how easy your solution was. Thank you so much for giving us such a cool tool.
It's our pleasure. You are actually a happy person because your website original score was more than 80. But the sad fact is that for the majority of websites in the world, the average score is less than 50. So speed is something that should be fixed on a lot of websites in the world.
Wow. Incredible. Well, on the product side of WordPress, for those who actually create plugins or themes, and they create a really cool plugin or a theme that they think is lightweight, and they send it out there in the wild, and they start to hear feedback from their customers that it's bloated or maybe it's causing lag time. As a CEO of a WordPress product company yourself, how are you solving this concern?
Yeah, I would like to talk a couple of minutes about how 10Web Booster can increase the value of plugins or themes. So now I'm talking to plugin developers, and I'm also a plugin developer. I know that when designing plugins, you need to take care about the speed and the end result for your customers as well. So 10Web Booster can take care of this optimization need for your plugin or your theme. How it is so? You'll get more freedom to create multimedia rich content without thinking much about whether your plugin will slow down your user's website, or it will cause crash, or what problems might happen. Because we resolve the speed issue for WordPress plugin and theme developers. Let me give an example. Let's say you developed a plugin, let's say gallery plugin, but perhaps you limited some of its options, right? Not to have too slow website. So you sacrificed the user experience, you sacrificed to some degree the quality of the plugin, you stripped animations, you made images quality less, or you turned off some features by default, because you have to guarantee that your users that their website will not slow down due to your plugin. In this case, basically you decrease the quality and creativity of your report for the sake of page speed. But with ThemeWeb Booster, your rich plugin or theme will not only provide exactly what your users need, but also it will receive the added value because of customer website being much faster. For example, think about what benefits will your SEO plugin have when your customer website is really fast. Fast websites, they perform much better on SEO, right? And if your plugin is SEO plugin, you have added value. You add value to your plugin. Or for example, what benefit will you get or your clients get when they have fast web pages and your plugin is, let's say, form plugin? Conversion of these web pages is super important, and conversion it's boosted and increased when the user experience is fast and not slowed down because of site performance. Or for example, if you have major rich photography theme, you build beautiful theme, but all this media slow down the website. Now website is fast because of ThemeWeb Booster. So your plugin or theme users will get all these benefits. And it's very simple, the integration with ThemeWeb. Let me show you something. I'll share my screen to ThemeWeb Partnership Program. I'll just introduce it a little. We provide a code module that can be integrated right in your plugin or theme. It's just a small piece of code that has call to actions. And the purpose of it is to motivate your users to install the free version of ThemeWeb Booster right from WordPress.org. So it's 100% secure. And they get a free version of ThemeWeb Booster that it has very generous limits, and even users of free version of ThemeWeb Booster, they can get 90 plus page speed scores. So the majority of them will not need to purchase the premium version. So through your plugin or theme, you motivate your users to install ThemeWeb Booster for free. And as a partner, we are ready to help you for this integration. We can help it do it free of charge, and we can help to test it inside your plugin. And of course, we'll share our revenue with you. As I mentioned, ThemeWeb Booster, it is open source and free plugin. However, if your clients decides to opt out for premium version or paid version of ThemeWeb Booster, you will receive 50% of revenue share for the first year. So you have passive income while satisfying your clients' need for rich, beautiful, and fast websites. That's a win-win situation for us and you, and your customers, of course. So ThemeWeb Booster will bring added value to you and your clients, making everyone happy. Let's look at an example. Here you can find a calculator to calculate how much revenue approximately you will get. If you have your plugin or theme has daily number of downloads around 1,000, it will provide about 150 paying customers to ThemeWeb every month. So each of them will pay on average $300 per year. This is ThemeWeb pricing, and it will make for you $22,500 of revenue from commissions. So besides sharing our revenue with you, I can store it here, Besides sharing our revenue with you, we also will feature your plugin in 10web platform. We have a part, it's called recommended plugins or themes. Will include your plugin there. And we'll also offer 20% of discount for your users for 10web Booster. We'll have also a huge audience, a few thousand of weekly readers, and we can send newsletter to them to telling about your plugin or your theme and the problems that it solves and the benefit that it provides to the users. So we also will recommend your plugin and theme through our social media, and we want to have a partnership with you, and we want to have long-term partnership with further mutual benefits and working together to bring the better value to WordPress users. My team and I are ready to discuss the details for partnership with you and address the questions you have. What can you do? Just enter our calendar. We'll schedule a call with you. We'll also look forward for long-term partnership to cross-promote our products. As I told, this is just a small part of our offer. We can have long-term partnership together and to utilize the power of joint audiences. So speed is no longer an issue. Take the chance to offer greater and better value to your users and boost their website speed to new heights.
Incredible. I tell you what, such a generous offer too. 50% in that first year of that profit share is just an incredibly generous way that you're showing us that you're ready for that long-term partnership. I love it. You're also advocating for additional resources, bringing them to the table. When you go out and find partnerships like Cloudflare and you bring that to the table, right, that gives us access to incredible branding opportunities and marketing components that just improves our products over and over again. So brilliant. Well, now in 2023, the web is even more saturated with aggressive competition looking to outrank you. Now, as part of your SEO strategy, as part of your marketing strategy, speed has to be a priority. Ideally, the faster your website, the happier your customer, and ultimately Google as well, right? 10web Booster is by far the easiest and most effective tool I have ever seen. So thank you so much for joining us. Head over to 10web.io today to access these powerful solutions and to start your partnership. Thanks for being here.